Hi guys, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are gonna learn some technique with the watercolor brush and acrylic paints. Absolutely amazing results. Have a preview of it in here. And the main thing about it, it is actually quite easy and fast technique to learn, so I hope you really enjoy watching this tutorial. Let's start. So I've got another fun technique for you guys, this time with the acrylic paints, and I'm gonna squeeze a few colors here. So red, let's get a drop of it. And then we want to grab some white. And our watercolor brush. So with the watercolor brush, we can always do quite nice and fast nail art. Okay, I've got some water on my brush, just a little bit of it. And then what you want to do it is dip in half of your brush, like in a white color, just like this, and then the tip of it in a red color. Okay, so you should have something like this on your brush. Using the half of the brush, you want to press it pretty hard and decent on your nail. So you just go like this, press it hard, give it a couple wiggles and a shakes to it, and then drag it down. And this way you will get a really nice looking petals. So give it a couple shakes to it, and then drag it down. Let's do it from the other side now. Give it a couple shakes to it, and then drag it. Let's do something on the bottom here. Nice split of the brush, couple shakes, and drag it. Re-pick up the colors. Nice shakes, and then drag it. Okay, another one in here, so nice and shaky. Drag it. Again, nice and shaky. I'm gonna even wiggle it more. That's an amazing petal. Okay, I'm just gonna re-clean my brush so they don't mix too strong. And we are gonna do more. So I want something in this middle part. Nice and really good, decent splits and shakes of the brush. And then drag it. Something on this side. So drag it, shake it. Re-pick up the paint. And paint a couple more. Very tiny one in here. And another one coming here. Beautiful. Okay, now we want to add something on the top of those ones. So I'm just gonna clean my brush. Re-pick up the paint. And I want to go in between those empty spaces. Nice wiggle. Again, re-pick up my paint. Like, make sure it doesn't have too much water, but at the same time it's not too dry. And you want to do it one more here. And one more on the other side. Okay, I'm happy with this one, so I can clean my brush and grab some green. Whoops. And some yellow. Quite watery. Pick 2 colors again and reshape your brush so it's nice and thin again. And then we will add some detail and the steam. So just a really nice touch. Go in between there. Reshape my brush. You could also use it a smaller brush for this part. Pick up 2 colors again, and then we are gonna draw some leaves. Nice and bendy. Okay, let's do it again on this one. Oh, I'm just covered in a paint. So clean that off. And I have used the drop of the UV cleanser. The water would remove that as well. Okay, so clean my brush from the green color, go into the white, pick up the red. Nice and shaky, drag it. Wiggle a little bit and drag it. The more your brush splits, the better it is, so you can kind of wiggle it. That's a beautiful split. And the petal is so amazing. Okay, another one in here. So I'm starting quite straight, want to get that split in and drag it down. Give it nice shakes to it and drag it down. I think you can create a really nice and amazing flowers with it. Look how beautiful it comes out. Nice shakes and twist it. Again, I need for a balance something on the top and something from the side. So I'm gonna do top first. Nice shakes. Actually, the more shaky hands you've got, I think the better you will get at this design. And then drag this one. Absolutely amazing. Okay, and then we want something, maybe just something smaller in here. So nice shakes, drag this paint. Again, opposite side. And then we need also something in the middle. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna quickly, just because I've got the paint on my brush, I'm gonna paint here a bigger one. Or no, maybe we'll do big and then going very big one and then going smaller and smaller. So very big one on the bottom. That means I can shake it more. I think, to be honest, like the bigger you will paint them, the easier I would say it is as well. Because then you can shake your brush more. Right in the middle, look at this large wiggle. My brush is splitting, absolutely amazing. And then just drag it. Wow, this one is so pretty. And then we're gonna go smaller. Some of you guys quite often ask me like, I want to see it on a client nails, or how would you do it on a client nails, like because you kind of twisting the tip. I do twist my clients' hands as well, like I do really do that all the time. So anything I'm painting on the tips, you can do it on the client's nails as well. Okay, and then just a baby one on the top. We pick up the colors, and then we want to add something in those parts in between as well. So nice, give it those shakes to it. One side, other side, and then start dragging. As you drag, you're lifting your brush a little bit, okay? This side. So shake it one side, other side, and then start lifting it up. Look how amazing this flower is. Okay, we are gonna add something in here as well, maybe. Yes, not baby one, single one here. Shake it, drag it, and then go over it on the other side. Shake it, drag it. We've got baby one. Now let's join everything together. So again, green and yellow. My brush is having much more water now, and I'm just gonna join the things together. Just so they don't fly in the air. Give some leaf to it. And then here. So this one is much larger. Okay, I'm not gonna twist it, but I would twist it on the client if it's needed. And yeah, that's it on this one. So let's add this one. And then what is even more amazing, when we painting with the acrylic paints, things looks much prettier once we add the top coat, and I'm gonna show you that in a second. Now here I want to go over this one, just so it doesn't fly in the air. And then something almost invisible here, and then this one I wanted it to come out from here. Oh gosh, our dog is crazy, like he always, yes, he always have to come every single video. Now he bring the toy and he's just like waiting, come on, let's play with me. He's a Maltese dog. Okay, and then he listen, yeah, absolutely. And then I'm just painting the little leaves. Okay, let's top coat that so I can show you the final. I love them. Like, I think it's an awesome technique. Like, and each time you can get a really nice, interesting results. So we are gonna start with the first one. And look how more vibrant it becomes. And I also like it because you don't have to outline. You don't have to do all this detail. And they look like so complicated, I would say, but they are done with kind of one move of the brush. Let's cook it. Then let's cure this one. Really pretty flowers, like absolutely amazing. And Olivia had to paint some carnation flowers yesterday on the client nails, so that could actually do, like you would just spread them a little bit more. Yeah, this one would look amazing on client nails, all white nails, and then I would just paint like on the ring finger, this flower, and then you've got beautiful nail art done in a matter of minutes. So definitely a beautiful technique. Let's cook it and then I can show you them. So I have done one also in blue color before, but I think like you could play with all sort of, let me get rid of those blue now. You could play with all sort of different colors. And then the other ones. So this one can go here, this one there, and then I can show you. Wow, that looks amazing. And it doesn't take long time. Like, wow, it does looks really amazing, actually. I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this short video, and I'm sending you huge glittery hacks. See you in the next one.